the only reasons why I haven't chopped off my long hair is because sometimes I love to just look like a literal mermaid. I have a tote of hair tools, whether it is electric tools, heatless curl tools, everything I have tried. And while they are okay and I can deal with it, I haven't quite found what I'm looking for yet. That is until one of my favorite creators on this app influenced me to buy this compact hair crimper. So we are going to see if we can achieve literal mermaid vibes with this crimper right here. Like what? Oh my gosh, look at that volume. Look how gorgeous it turned out. This was totally a great purchase. If you're looking for a new hair tool, I highly recommend this compact hair crimper. I'll drop the link below, but seriously guys, this is such a great tool and it's on sale right now.